Hello, happy homemakers. Today I am bringing you a clean and cook with me video. I am starting in my master bedroom. To be honest, during Christmas break, I have not cleaned or made our bed one time. So it was much needed for my sanity more than anything probably, but it was definitely much needed. We had so many different presents and things that needed to just be put away. The baby right now is in our bedroom, and we just had a bunch of her stuff just sitting out and taking up pretty much our whole room. And here I'm just going through all of her toys and taking them out of their packages, taking off their tags, all of that stuff. I am loving my new vacuum that I got from my parents for Christmas, but obviously you can tell I'm just vacuuming our bathroom right now.
I'm all alone in my hotel room. I'm getting drunk on booze from the mini bar. I wonder what you're up to.
So our 3-year-old got a bunch of princess costumes from my parents for Christmas this year, and I needed to put them up. We bought another like shelf sort of thing. I will show you guys that later on, but it hasn't come in the mail yet. And we bought one just for her dresses, and it'll be lower in her closet. So I am just hanging them up in her closet right now just to get them up and off of the floor, because her room was a disaster. And then I have a plastic bag of stuff on her bed. That's all stuff. I went to her closet, and we're taking a Goodwill run this week, and I just wanted to get rid of a bunch of stuff that we didn't need in her closet anymore.
And you don't even know you are the stranger in the corner on the second floor. You're the girl next door, the girl next door. The stranger in the corner on the second floor. You're the girl next door. You're the girl next door, yeah. Girl next door, yeah. You're the girl next door, yeah.
Here I am setting up a little homeschool area for our 3-year-old. For those of you that don't know, we are foster parents, and our other 3 girls are foster daughters, and so I can't homeschool them. They all have to go to public school, and our youngest is 5 months old, and so that's not a problem right now. But our 3-year-old is going to be 4 in April, and so I've been trying to decide if homeschooling is something that I really want to do, and so I really want to get serious about it. But I will be filming a separate video on what I will be, like what the homeschool area will look like. So on this day, I also decided to go ahead and make some homemade bread, which I have not done in a very long time. I enjoy making homemade bread. It is very delicious. I didn't have any yeast, so I just had to like make it without it. There was a recipe that didn't need it, but it didn't turn out very pretty. I don't know if I even show you what it looks like at the end of this video, but it is not very pretty. But that is what I'm making in this video. I did put a little bit of onion powder and a little bit of red pepper flakes in it, and my family thought it was a little bit spicy, so I won't be doing that again, but that was pretty funny. Anyway, that's what I'm doing. I love my little stand mixer here. It's so much fun to use.
Someone help me catch my breath again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? How could we let love go? How could we move on? Move on. Why you wanna let me go now? Now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. 'Cause your love made me, baby, go blind. Why are you playing? We ain't got the time.
So here in this next clip, I am making brownies. This is a box of brownies that I get from Aldi, and it is 89 cents, and they are the best brownies I have ever had. And I'm not sure why I did this, but I decided to change it up a little bit and put some coconut in it.
How is that even possible?
And I also decided to put cream cheese in it. I wasn't like that huge of a fan. I didn't hate it, it just wasn't my favorite, but our 9-year-old and our 12-year-old thought that it was great, so that's fine with me.
For love or pity, let me know now. 'Cause your love made me, baby, go blind. Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. 'Cause your love made me go blind. Oh, na na na. Oh, na na na. For love or pity, let me know. 'Cause your love made me go blind. Why are you changing your mind?
So I emptied the dishwasher earlier and filled it, but this is me washing all the dishes by hand that I used while I was baking, because I wanted to just make sure that every single dish was clean and I didn't have to worry about it anymore. So that's what I'm doing.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. Forever.
Here I am pulling the bread out and putting the brownies in. I think you may actually end up seeing the bread here at the end. I'm not quite sure, but I'm going to go ahead and end this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys. See, it's ugly.
Just to wake you up.